Can you spot the fire hazards? Here's a clue. This label says it all. This foil vent is a fire hazard. It's gotta go. Foil vents trap lint, dust, and pet hair. Kept what was safe, cleaned it, replaced the rest. Custom dryer vent? In the making. Every connection sealed for safety and performance. A shorter sealed system means better airflow and faster dry times. No foil, no fire hazard, vent is code compliant. But don't stop there, don't forget to clean below the screen. Under the lint screen. Unseen, clogged, and often ignored. All clear, no more fire risk. Airflow before cleaning. 645 feet per minute equals fire hazard. Airflow after cleaning. 1,826 feet per minute equals safe airflow. From fire hazard to code compliant, clean vents save lives.